Hello, in front of me I've got The Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you how to haggle. In the beginning, make sure that the status of NPC for you is good.
For you? Of course.
Also, make sure that you've got good speech and merchandise skills. Next, go to bartering and press R button to starting haggle. Let's select hard. And now, as you can see, when the haggle works, we will buy items at 147% of value and sell at 74% of value. Now let's try to sell something. As you can see, offer is refused, so we have to lower the haggle rate.
I can't make that deal. You're trying to drive me out of business.
Make sure that this position is good, because when it falls too low, the merchant will not want to deal with you. And it worked.
That's a fair deal.
If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe.